Okay guys, no intro, just want to get this out as fast as possible, probably about 2 to 3 minutes. I want to just get this out the way. Do not buy the handheld DIY TRM Hall Effect thumbsticks for your ROG Ally X. Now, I'm going to explain to you why. If you're buying these modulars for FPS games like Fortnite and Call of Duty, mostly Call of Duty, do not buy them. All right, it's the modulars that goes inside of this ROG Ally. You got to replace everything. These are custom thumbsticks and stuff like that. Now, I've tested multiple thumbsticks with this thing. I tested multiple things on this thing. I tried fixing the curves. I tried doing calibrations. This is just the literally the modular itself has a micro dead zone. I've even went inside the freaking armory crate and changed up a lot of the settings in here towards actually trying to change up the dead zones and change some of the curves to try to make it respond a little bit better. Everything that I tried, I have a video that I'm uploading within it's either gonna come up either later on today, tomorrow night, or Wednesday or Friday or Thursday. Those are the days that I'm going to try to get the video up. It is about an hour long. It shows me calibrating it. It shows me setting up things. It shows me messing with the curves. It shows me playing the games. It shows you basically trying to aim and stuff on it. I show you over about 5-6 different controllers what I use. I review controllers. I've been reviewing controllers since the PlayStation 3 days, Xbox 360 days. I've been modding controllers. I've been changing up. I've been putting paddles on back of it. I've been adding freaking RGBs inside the controllers and have the controllers light up. I've been messing with controllers since Gimmicker. That was one of the first modding controllers. Evil controllers, which is still up right now. Scuff, Fly Digi, all these companies I work with. I own multiple companies, handheld stuff, Razer. Like, I literally have so many controllers, I can't even think of it. I got over 1,000 controllers inside my drawer. I basically showed you some of the controllers I basically have like that. And what made it so bad about the situation, this right here, the GameSeer Galileo G8 has better dead zone controls on it than the actual ROG Ally X handheld. And what makes it so bad, this is an $800 device, $700, $800 device, and it has dead zones, micro dead zones right here. Just doing the little rotations, you just get dead zones on here. For $800, I should be getting the best of the best, especially if I'm putting new thumbsticks in there, a module in there to try to help it. It does not work. So I need to call out people that's literally sitting up here saying helps with Call of Duty videos, unless they actually playing gameplay with it and they are a hardcore gamer like I am. Just to give you guys a little heads up, and y'all guys, I'm making a video explaining why I have not been on YouTube lately. I'm a gamer. I play for money. There's events up here where I live at where we actually play inside a tournament, inside of a stadium. I do use 2 particular controllers that I do use when I'm at this tournament. I do play for money. So that's why y'all have not been seeing me on YouTube at all. I've been at these events. I've been playing professionally wise with my team. I do have jerseys and stuff like that. I am going to explain it at a later time, at a later date, explain what and fully what do I do. But as somebody that pro games and I know how it feels, and somebody that plays at a 2020, okay, I play at a 2020. So in Call of Duty Black Ops 4, it's set to a 4-4. A lot of you guys don't play at that, meaning that I have so much control with my thumbsticks that when I'm playing at a 2020, a little turn like this that I'm doing right here will literally make you do a full 360. I have so much hand control when it comes towards this. I need to make sure that this has micro rotations, and because it does not move on here, that's the problem. So one person I do really want to call out is 128-bit. I think that's his YouTube name. He kind of like contradicted himself when he came towards it, because he did review a controller basically talking about the pull rates and the freaking response times and all that stuff like that. He is trying to get you to buy one of these controllers that basically came out, and he's talking about the controllers. I literally made a video showing about this after I called them out before about the controllers, about No, it's not always about having this at a 0.00002. That means it's just literally locked in, but that doesn't always mean that it's not centered, and it's not always meaning that you're getting a controller drift. That just says that it's just centered in towards it. Like I showed you on my Scuff and Vision Pro, how I like to have it loose on this side, so it doesn't really show controller drift. It's just the numbers just moving because it's just idle, and I have it loose. So when I do simple taps and moves like this, I can move left and right a little bit more accurate. Same thing with this. I like to have this off thing, so when it's just sitting there, the numbers is flickering up and down, like the numbers just going all over the place. Like, so that's why I said that's very important to have micro rotations on this right there, because without those micro rotations, you're literally not going to be able to play games like Call of Duty on here. Now, yes, you can calibrate this up goodly, and I will show a video, which I said it's going to be an hour long, when I uncalibrate it, and you can see I have the full squares type box on top of it, and I'm just getting a bunch of messages. Sorry about that. When it's set like that, the dead zones is badly, and it's just a bad thing because it snaps left and right, and you can't get a full thing. The smaller the circle is better for this. On this particular thing, on RG Ally X, the smaller your dead zone is, well, not your dead zone, your circle curves is on this. So to have the full circle like this, the best thing is to have it smaller. So if this is the calibration part right there, you want to try to have your thing probably about right about here. This is about the circle that you want to have your thing at, just so you can get the best performance out of it to play games like Call of Duty. When you see my gameplay, you're going to see exactly. I actually have a video up of me showing playing Combat Masters and X-Defiant. The reason why Combat Masters and X-Defiant is different is because X-Defiant, you have to tighten up your thumbsticks a little bit more to be accurate in that type of game. You have to be loose and tight at the same time just to play that one, because the way how the game actually is. Combat Masters, a lot of people play the game loose, but they're never accurate. If you notice, if you watch my live streams and I play Combat Masters, you notice how I'm always dropping nukes. It's because I helped develop Combat Masters. I was one of the people that was inside the alpha, the pre-alpha, the betas, all that. I've also made fix for it. You can also go on the Discord and you see how they put my name up there. I have videos on how to fix stuff. I work with the devs, so anytime there's a problem, I let the devs know. And because I helped develop Combat Masters, I know what settings to keep onto the game to actually drop nukes and be locked on. I will have a video at a later time basically showing you guys this, so you guys can actually start playing the way how I'm playing. So I'm gonna wrap this video up. It's already 7 minutes in. I didn't want to make it this long, but yeah, this is not good for FPS games. If you're playing games that you need, like for Fortnite, yes, get the handheld DIY TRM thumbsticks. If you're playing games like Assassin's Creed and you don't want to just worry about the dead zones and freaking the controller drift, or you just worrying about thumbstick drift in the long run, yeah, get it. But if you're buying this for first person player games, don't buy this, all right? I'm telling you guys now, it's not going to help you out. You're going to be sit up here calibrating this thing, trying to get the thing fixed how you want. It's not going to work, all right? So that being said, I'm going to catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. One.